everyone, I am Pradyumna Dashrath Ghatate from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have completed my UG from Dr. PTKV Akola under the College of Vasantrao Naik College of Agriculture Biotech. I have given 4 different agriculture biotechnology examination. First of all, I have given the MCR examination, which is a state level entrance examination in which I scored second rank. The other exam which I have given are as follows, that is BHU Plant Biotechnology entrance examination in which I scored second rank from the OBC category and 5th rank in general. While I have given the GAT B examination too, which is also known as JNU CEB previously, in which in that exam I have scored about 7th rank in OBC category. The last examination which I have given is ICR Plant Biotechnology group examination in which I scored 7th rank in general and 6th rank in OBC category. Talking about the paper pattern of this year paper pattern was quite tough. Since I have read all of the paper of previous years, I find this year paper was quite tough. But this is good for us since it will help us to compete in the world of competition. So at last I want to thank Dr. Bipin Kumar sir for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts regarding the examination. And I would suggest to watch the videos of other toppers too and take the mock test of Dr. Bipin Kumar sir's channel, which will help you a lot to score a good marks. So talking about the handling the stress, this year we have to deal with the 2 kinds of stress, that is pre-examination stress and during examination stress, and also post-examination stress due to the delay of risk. So during the exam you should have to calm yourself, solve as much as you can, but only those you are sure about. Avoid solving the negatives since it will lower down your marks. I have attempted total 101 question in the exam, from which I have scored 349 marks from 480 total. So I would recommend you to solve more and more objective in order to get more marks, since it will help you to clear your doubts and give you more information which will be not available in the single book. Before starting any examination preparation, I use certain strategy. Firstly, I collect some information about the examination. After that, I take the syllabus copy and refer the previous year question paper. From that you get general idea about the examination, their pattern, and what kind of questions they ask, that is difficult, hard, or medium, or kind of thing. So after reading the previous year question paper, I come to know about some important topics of examination in which they ask many more questions. So I prepare those topics very well. I did not jump directly into the books. Since all of the syllabus of the group is available on the YouTube, I firstly refer all the YouTube videos regarding the syllabus, and I understand very much from the YouTube videos more than books, frankly speaking. But after watching YouTube videos, I started reading the books, and I feel very good after reading the books, since I cleared all my concepts and difficulties. The reference book which I use for preparation of all these 4 examinations are as follows. For biochemistry, I use Biochemistry by J.L. Jain. For biotechnology, I use Biotechnology Expanding Horizon by Dr. B.D. Singh. For plant physiology, I use Plant Physiology by Dr. V.K. Jain as well as Dr. S.N. Pandey sir. So I would recommend to use any of this, since both of these are good books. For genetics, I use Genetics by Dr. B.D. Singh. For general agriculture, I use General Agriculture by Narayan Nagre, which is a good book, and you will find all the matter over there only. That book is a good blend of Muniraj Singh and Sundar book. For revision purpose, I use Instant Biotechnology by Dr. Sandeep Jaiswal sir. Similarly, I use Agriculture Biotechnology at a glance book by Dr. Ajay Kumar Thakur sir. After reading all this thing, I started preparing from the Life Science Part 1 and Part 2 by Pranav Kumar books. These books are quite good. Along with this reference book, I use some objective books. I would recommend to solve as much as objective you can solve. I use MCQ of Life Science by Dr. Pranav Kumar sir, Objective Agriculture Biotechnology by Indira Publication, previous year question paper of Plant Biotechnology by Elan Govan, the right time to start the preparation for the all these 4 examination for my from my view is on the start of the third year. But I have started the preparation in the last year. But start the preparation from the third year, you will get ample time to solve the objective and clear your conceptual things. The only message which I want to give the juniors: give your 100%, be confident about what you read, avoid mugging up the things, and studying the concepts, which will help you a lot. All the best.